Experiencing issues with your Mahindra Scorpio-N's infotainment system, like a frozen screen or unresponsive touchscreen? Let's quickly cover how to perform a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a simple restart, like restarting your phone. It doesn't erase your data and is great for minor glitches. To reboot, hold the power button on the unit for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. For more severe problems like persistent software bugs, a factory reset might be needed. Remember, this will erase all your personal data, returning the system to its original state. Before a factory reset, ensure your car is stationary, the battery is above 50%, and you've backed up any important data like contacts or saved locations. Access the factory reset option in the settings menu under System, then Reset Options. You may need a PIN to proceed. Alternatively, some units have a hidden reset hole you can press with a paperclip. If your touchscreen is acting up, try calibrating it first. Go to Settings, then Display, and look for a touchscreen calibration option. Follow the on-screen prompts. Keep an eye out for over-the-air OTA updates from Mahindra. These updates often include fixes for common issues like touchscreen lag or GPS glitches, and automatically address software issues without requiring manual resets. The trend in car infotainment is moving towards voice control and AI-driven diagnostics. Future Scorpio-N models may have improved systems that reduce the need for manual resets altogether. For now, mastering these reset techniques will keep your infotainment system running smoothly.